You can easily fix the P1174 engine code by cleaning the MAF sensor. This means that the air-fuel mixture in the engine cylinders is incorrect, and the PCM has reached its fuel trim limit for Bank 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. Mass airflow sensor is a device in a car that measures the amount of air entering the engine. It is located on the left side of the engine compartment attached to the air cleaner housing. A faulty MAF sensor can result in a rough idle, and you may have trouble starting your car and experience poor fuel economy. So here is the practical solution to fix the P219C error code at home. MAF sensor. Carefully remove the mass sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, BMW, and Chevrolet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.